Have you ever witnessed someone say, if you don't like it, leave, and everyone left? What was the story? A former industrial job I used to have said that during an all-hands meeting. We were understaffed, underpaid, and overworked, and everyone knew it. Instead of the 2-to-1 ratio of 2 machines to 1 operator for safety reasons, we'd have 4 or even 6 machines per person, because people were getting paid less than most retail jobs to bust their asses in some of the most disgusting work I've ever done. Machines started breaking down because they'd never shut them down to perform maintenance on them, so we'd often have massive problems, which, of course, meant even more overtime to make up for the broken machines. Management's response was to tell us that they expected us to work harder because they couldn't get more help in. One of my coworkers, who generally gave no fucks, asked, in front of everyone in that room, why they didn't try raising the poor wages and see if they could entice people that way. The response was, "We're not having that conversation right now. If you don't like it, you can quit." Oh buddy, was that the wrong thing to say? In the next 15 minutes, more than half of the workers quit on the spot and left.